Is your Snapchat not filling the screen like it should? Let's get that fixed right now. You're probably seeing black bars on the sides of your Snapchat or portions of the screen are cut off. This can happen after an update. Or if there's a setting conflict, don't worry. We've got a few easy steps to bring Snapchat back to its full glory. First, let's check your device's display settings on most Android phones. You'll want to go to Settings, then find Display or Screen. Look for an option related to apps in full screen or aspect ratio. Tap on that and ensure Snapchat is set to full screen or off. If you don't see a device-wide setting for it, some apps have their own internal options, so open your device's settings, find Apps. Then locate Snapchat within Snapchat's app info. You might see a full screen or aspect ratio. Toggle, make sure it's enabled. Next, let's make sure we're running the latest version of Snapchat and your phone's software. Go to your device's app store, search for Snapchat. And if there's an update available, download and install it also. Check your general phone settings for any system updates. Sometimes, clearing the app's cache can resolve display glitches. Go to your phone's settings, then Apps, find Snapchat, and tap on Storage. You should see an option to clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or snaps. Another quick fix to try is force closing the app. Swipe up or long press the Snapchat icon from your recent apps list and select Remove or Close All, then reopen Snapchat. This resets the app's current session. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. This is a more drastic step, but it often resolves persistent issues. Just remember your login details. With these steps, your Snapchat should now be filling the screen perfectly, so you can enjoy all your snaps and stories without any annoying borders. Happy snapping!